Today, our class was conducting a biodiversity assessment. We're looking at the different tree species that are present within a natural environment here at Houghton's Pond.
We took inventory of the different trees we had there. We cored, which just means taking a tool to get into the tree to see how many rings it has. We set up a theodolite, which measures changes in elevation.
Being able to have opportunities to come out and take students to Houghton's Pond is wonderful. It's an opportunity to use equipment that is used in real ecology work and be able to assess how different species interact with one another and interact with their landscape.
In lecture, it's very much, oh, this is the vocab, this is what it does, and that's all you get. But being outside in the field and having someone who's done field work is really inspiring because you get to see, after college, this is what I'm doing.
To be able to show students firsthand what researchers, what environmental scientists do out in the field, one, inspires them to become environmental scientists themselves, and also it gains an opportunity to see the natural world in a new way.